Greentec steel, our path to a green future. Voestalpine has been regarded for decades as the environmental and efficiency benchmark for the industry. With greentec steel, voestalpine has a clear and implementable step-by-step plan for our contribution to achieving global climate targets. Because with the traditional blast furnace LD steel plant route, the CO2 is formed during the process and cannot be lowered any further. This requires new technologies and new raw materials. By investing in an HBI plant, we have secured our long-term requirements for this raw material, which we need for the first step of our plan. Starting in 2027, 2 blast furnaces will be replaced by 2 electric arc furnaces, EAFs. The investment volume for this amounts to around 1.5 billion euros and will enable us to reduce our CO2 emissions by 30% by 2029, or almost 5% of Austria's CO2 emissions. This makes greentec steel the largest climate protection program in Austria. Greentec steel, our path to a green future.
Voestalpine, one step ahead.